Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a GIMP tutorial on how to create a pattern or a texture. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And then the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is let's go ahead and say I wanted to create a texture of an AK, right? So let me go ahead and take out my rest AK. All right, now that I have this, I can make sure that it's its own layer. Grab a rectangle select, surround the picture, and then now when I Control C and I copy it, you'll notice that it's on my clipboard. So now if I were to draw, I go to my screenshot, or we'll first have to unselect it, of course. Now I should be able to go ahead and draw an AKs. Now I have airbrush, so it's not as profound, but as you see, I have now created an AK texture. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. But other than that, it's been a GIMP tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching.